Hi guys, I'm Sasha. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how I made these cute little envelopes. And you can put here, what I did was to make a gift for someone. I thought it would be a cute gift idea to give someone a bunch of cards to just keep with them, like in your car or whatever, you know, because if someone at work has a birthday and you found out about it, or you need a thank you card or a congrats card, whatever it may be. I have, let's see, thank you, good luck, a couple birthdays in here, congratulations, things like that. So I gathered 12 cards. I got these at the dollar store, 2 for $1. So 12 cards cost me $6. And then put them in this cute little envelope. Now this is just a piece of scrapbook paper, 12 by 12. This happens to be patterned on both sides, but it wouldn't have to be. And it's covered with a thin layer of Mod Podge, so it's really sturdy. This is going to last a while. It doesn't just have a paper feel to it. So you could put cards in there. I also did a little mini one to put, like, you know, pictures for grandma to keep in her purse. And when you open this, see, you can just pull out the pictures there, and then you can just retie it closed. Okay, so another cute thing too is you can use any different kind of ribbon or twine to connect them. And this is what this one looks like. Okay, and this is super easy, you guys. So, you know, go pick up a dozen cards from the dollar store. You need one piece of scrapbook paper, some Mod Podge, and either a little piece of ribbon or twine, and you've got a really cute little gift idea here. I have my cards here. I have 12 of them, but if you want to wrap pictures or whatever it is you want to put in the envelope, just kind of have that ready so you know what size to work with. And for my envelopes, I have a 12 by 12 piece of scrapbook paper that I did put a thin layer of Mod Podge over both sides, and that way it's really thick and protected and it'll last a while. Okay, it also doesn't wrinkle when we glue it if we put a thin coat of the Mod Podge on it first. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to turn this on the diagonal and put whatever I'm going to wrap in there right about the middle, maybe a little more towards the bottom. And then I'm going to pull this side up and just kind of crease it on the side so that I know where I want to end up. Okay, so I'm creasing this side and this side of the envelopes of whatever you have there. Okay, and then I'm going to kind of hold this down and fold this in. Okay, and see right here, I kind of want to keep it nice and neat. I don't want it to go over or under too far and go wonky. All right, and then I'm going to crease that. And I do want to crease that all the way up. Hold this side in. Fold that. Crease that. Okay. All right, so now I've got my basic shape here. So I do have an extra little flap here. So I like to cut that off, or you could fold it down a little bit, but either way it's going to be just slightly off center, so kind of up to you what you want to do with it. I'm going to hold it just like this and take a pencil and mark where it is, and then I'm going to cut mine off. Okay. Okay, so now, see, it'll go like this. All right, so now it's time to glue these pieces together. You can use Mod Podge for this. I'm just going to use regular glue. But for this part, I am going to take out my cards so they don't get glue on them. Okay. And see, another good reason to cut that actually is to know where this is supposed to hit when it's full. Because otherwise, you know, you might be tempted to put it too flat or something. I don't know. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit of glue in here too, so the cards don't get stuck on that little corner. Turn it so you can see it better. Whoop. I opened my glue, that would help. Okay. There. Okay. And then at this point I can see if I got the glue close enough to the edge or if I need to put a little bit more. I think I need a little bit more right here. And we'll just give that a few minutes to dry here. Now that that side's dry, I'm going to go ahead and glue this side down. That side is pretty dry now, so I'm going to go ahead and put my cards back in. Okay, and now, there we go. I'm going to fold this top part over, but I'm going to kind of make sure to pinch this top section because I want that folded over too. Pinch that there, and fold over. And I don't really have to crease that because I kind of want it to be a little bit loose still. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to punch a hole to use for ribbon or twine, something to hold it closed. You could also do a little thing of Velcro or a button, something like that. A button and a string, I mean. It's up to you, but I am going to use ribbon. So what we can do, just to kind of reinforce this, I am going to go ahead and fold this over. And it's also cute because this paper happens to be printed on both sides. And then I'm going to punch a hole. And I am also going to glue that down just to secure it. Okay. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.